Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you can't find your favorite games in Google Play Store on Google Pixel 8 Pro. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find something like Call of Duty or most of the other games, there won't be any results. And to fix this, we need to go back to the homepage of Google Play Store, click in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Then scroll down again to Family, Parental Controls, and now you can either turn off parental controls entirely with a switch or switch to Apps and Games and insert the PIN code. Click on PG16 and make sure to save it. Now when we go back and look for the game again, it is right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.